call your next witness.
We call Aaron Matheson.
Matheson, you come forward. You've been sworn to tell the truth. Have a seat on the witness stand. Counsel is recognized.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
You may proceed.
Can you state your name and employment for the records?
My name is Carrie Matheson. I'm currently unemployed, but I had worked at Pine Belt Incorporated and Free State Tech Services Incorporated for 5 years prior to being fired in April.
Can you state the reason for your testimony today?
I just wanted to get the truth out.
Are you mad about being fired?
No,
So do you believe you had a valid reason for being
I do not believe I had a valid reason because I believe I was in my work field, and I was getting the job done like Sal had asked.
Objection, Your Honor, relevant.
Response?
It just, let's strike that.
You may proceed. Objection will be granted.
Can you state your responsibilities at Pine Belt?
My responsibilities were I ran a group of techies, and I watched over theft track and helped fix glitches in the system
Could you tell me the purpose of that track?
to help find lost or stolen computers.
Could you tell me how it worked?
We would get the notification to activate theft track, and we would turn it on the computer, and the webcam would occasionally take pictures or screenshots, and that would be sent back to us for us to go over and look for stuff to help us find the computer.
What were you taking screenshots of?
Whatever site the user was on.
Would it take screenshots even when a computer was spam?
As long as we had the notification for it being found, it would not take pictures. But if we did not, it would continue to take pictures.
What would you do when a computer would report spam?
We would activate theft track and monitor until we either found the computer or got a notification to turn off theft track.
Were there any problems reported with these laptops?
The green light.
Can you tell me what the green light is and what did it do?
The green light.
Objection, Your Honor, relevant.
As to the green light, what it was and what it did? Response?
Your Honor, it would help tell you what the problem and the green light did.
I'll overrule the objection. The flickering green light is very relevant to the issues before the court. Just overrule it. You may proceed.
Whenever the green light turned on, that would mean the webcam was on, and it would take when the webcam was on, that would mean theft track was activated, and it was taking a picture at the time.
Could theft track be operated and turned on even while it was reported computer being reported stolen?
Objection, Your Honor, leading question.
Response to the leading question?
Strike that.
You may proceed.
What kind of workload did you have with theft track and the one-to-one program?
We had such a big workload that over time we ran out of overtime hours, and we had to work on volunteer time.
Your Honor, I'd like to show you what is marked as Exhibit 5. First witness, Your Honor. Can you identify this, please?
It's an email I sent out to my group of techies about what we call the Peep Show,
And who did you send this email to?
to my group of techies.
And was Sal on this list?
It's an undisclosed list, so not to my knowledge.
Did Sal authorize this email?
No.
Objection, Your Honor, relevant.
Response?
Your Honor, it's relevant and if he was on the list or not.
Let me first ask for relevance. I would overrule the objection. Whether Sal Berenson was on the list or not would be very important as to his knowledge the peep show was going on, so it'd be relevant. I think it may be more of an objection being outside of the problem. I don't know if it says anywhere whether sound was or was not on that list. So that may be an objection as outside the problem, but as to relevancy, that would be a very relevant question. It just is a question outside the problem. So, for the purpose of what we're doing here today, we're going to assume that the outside the problem objection was made, and I'm going to sustain that. You may proceed.
Do you think you would approve these parties?
Objection, Your Honor, that's an opinion of the witness.
Response?
Let me rephrase that.
Sustained. You may rephrase the question.
How did he feel when he found out about the parties?
He clearly was not happy with the parties.
What happened when he found out?
He fired me.
What was your purpose of sending this email?
It was the purpose of getting more people to volunteer, because I would have these people come into my house and they would go through the pictures while volunteering, like Sal had asked.
Was this part of the volunteer time Sal requested?
Yes.
What did you do at these parties?
We would go through the pictures, and after about an hour, we would go through the pictures and mark those up we thought were funny. About an hour, we'd put them on a slideshow, and we'd vote on which we thought was the funniest, and then we'd delete them and continue on working.
Objection, Your Honor, I didn't material that.
In what way?
She's stating procedures that were not listed in her statement on what went on at the party.
Response?
Strike that portion.
You may proceed. The objection will be sustained.
Your Honor, I'd like to show you what has been marked as Exhibit 7.
That picture that was already introduced into evidence.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you may proceed. It's already introduced into evidence. You can get off the evidence table and hand it forward.
Did you identify that first one?
It's a picture from Theft Track on Nick Burns' computer that I reported to Sal Berenson.
What did you do when you saw this picture?
First, I skimmed past it, but I came across an IM message that sounded like a bomb threat, so I looked back and saw that it looked like the makings of